Our toilets are just outside and around the corner.
Our toilets are just outside and around the corner.
Okay, our toilets.
Our toilets.
Our.
Our.
Yeah, our toilets.
Our toilets.
Our toilets are just outside.
Are just outside.
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 Yeah, outside and around the corner.
And around the corner.
Around.
Around.
The corner.
The corner.
The corner. Yeah, our toilets are just outside and around the corner.
Our toilets are just outside and around the corner.
Yeah, so not our, we're just going to go for our toilets.
Our toilets are just outside and around the corner.
And around the corner.
The corner.
Enjoy the rest of your afternoon.
Enjoy the rest of your afternoon.
Okay, so enjoy. So it's enjoy the rest.
The rest.
Oh, no, the rest, because you're going to go Kiwi, aren't you? The rest.
The rest.
The rest of your.
Of your.
Afternoon.
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 That's okay, yeah. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon. Of your afternoon. So of your afternoon kind of goes to of your afternoon. So it's kind of becomes your and afternoon becomes your afternoon. Your afternoon.
Enjoy the rest of your afternoon.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Enjoy.
Enjoy. So not enjoy. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Yeah, enjoy the rest.
The rest.
Of your afternoon.
Of your afternoon.
Yeah, that'll do. Yeah. Would you like your cappuccino with cinnamon or chocolate on top? So let's hear how you say that now.
Would you like your cappuccino with cinnamon or chocolate on top?
It's on your words like. The word like sounds funny. So let's break it down. Would you?
Would you?
Would you?
Would you?
Would is that you? You do the funny like you did how are you? Remember it's you. You.
Yeah. You.
Yeah.
You.
Would you? Would you?
Would you?
Would you? Not would you've got that big you going on. You. We don't need it to be that massive. Would you?
Would you?
That's better. Like your.
Like your.
Like your. Would
Your.
you like your?
Would you like your?
You. Would you like your?
Would you like your?
Very nice. Cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Okay, so cappuccino, it needs to be more like a chino. Cappuccino. A cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
A cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Yeah, that's better. Cappuccino with cinnamon.
With cinnamon.
Yep. Or chocolate.
Or chocolate.
On top.
On top.
Perfect. Say that all for me now in one go.
Would you like your cappuccino with cinnamon or chocolate on top? Cappuccino. Cappuccino. Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. Yeah.